Water level alarm. Introduction. If you're a person who forgets the water motor after turning it on, or if you always get busy with work that you fail to remember to turn off the water, then this circuit is definitely for you. All you need is a little knowledge of electronics and circuit design, and also the required components required. There are indeed many methods to make water level alarms. It can be made by using transistors with NEE 555 IC. It can also be made with Arduino, etc. But the circuit we are going to discuss here is simpler and easy to make. The circuit is also cheaper than other circuits. This circuit mainly uses a NEE 555 timer IC that's wired as an audible multivibrator. Don't use the circuit on a voltage greater than 3 volts. Place the probes where you want to sense the level. And remember to use insulated copper wires as probes. Hardware required. Breadboard 1. Resistors 1K, 100K, 1 capacitor, 2 UF/15V, 1 buzzer, 1 battery, 3V, 1 NE 555 IC, 1. Circuit diagram of water level alarm. Working explanation of water level alarm. When the water reaches the insulated probes, some current passes through the water. IC starts producing the oscillations. The frequency of these oscillations depends on the capacitor and the resistors in the circuit. Also, it depends on the resistance of the probes. The buzzer then produces a sound to indicate that water has reached a certain level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please support my YouTube channel.